Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the logic and the conditional in Liquid. What is a conditional statement? A conditional statement is a programming construct or a logical expression that executes a block of code or evaluates to a truth value based on whether a specific condition is met. Okay, so essentially it allows a program to make a decision by checking if a condition is true or false, then taking different action accordingly. We will start with the if statement. So the if statement tag runs a block only if a condition is true. We can give it a try with this example. First of all, let's talk about the syntax, how to write Liquid. And then second of all, we will try to see how this example is going to work. So make sure that your local server is running, and also don't forget to turn on your hotlink here. Once we have all this out of the way, we can start. So first of all, how to write a if statement condition. We're gonna come here to write an if statement. Remember, it is a logic. We need first to create the double curly, add percentage sign, and you need to write here if, and you need to end it again with the curly brace, percentage sign, and you need to write end if, and everything in between. It is the block that's going to be executed if this condition evaluates to true. What can we do now? We will use this example here. So it says if products that compare at price is greater than products at price. Okay, so we will try this logic here. We're gonna say if product that compare at price is greater than product that price. Okay, so we can say this product, or this is a sale product, something like this, or this product is on sale. Let's just copy what we have here and replace it here. All right, so what I'm going to do, imagine that you're starting from the beginning, so you have like this setup like this from the home page. So we will do a slash collections, and here we're gonna choose randomly any collection. So let's say automated collection. I will click there. I just want to show one of the products, so let's go with the collection snowballs. Okay, and as you can see, we have nothing here. So what I will do next is I'm going to open my Shopify partner account. So I will open it like this, and I will log with one of my organization. What I will do, I will go to stores, and I will choose the store that we made together last time on the first video. So it is Learning Liquid YouTube. So I will click on login, and once we are here, I will go to product, and I will look for the collection snowboard, this one here. I will open it, and I will go to pricing. The price we have here, it's $794.95. So let's say here we have $899.99, and we're going to save it. So I'm gonna reduce this one here, go back to the hot link. We are here, and then we're gonna try out now this condition. So here we say if product that compare at price it's greater than the product price, then we're gonna say this product is on sale. So let me save it, and we should have this appear here, because this conditional evaluates to true, because I just added, if you remember, this price here. Okay, it is greater than the price that we have here, so that's why this condition here works. Let's talk about the else statement. We have also the else if and the else tag. So the else if lets you check another condition, just like you have in JavaScript, and the else provides just a fallback, the default. You can add it if you want or not. That really depends on you. We will see another example here. What I'm going to do now, we will check if the product that's type. In case you're wondering how I know like what commands to write, if you go to shopify.dev, you go to documentation, you click on create a team using Liquid, and then you click on view the Liquid reference, and then you go to object right here, and then you can look for either collections or products. So let me look for products directly. So we have products here, so I click on product, and once you are here, you have the product object here, and you have its properties. Okay, so the one we just checked a few seconds ago is the compare at price, so you can click on plus to see some definition, etc. Okay, so here what we will check if products that type is equal to snowboard. So if it is, we will say this is a snowboard product. And we can also check another condition by saying products that type is equal to accessories. If it is, we will say this is an accessory product. All right. So, and if none of this condition is met, then we're going to have our fallback, the else one, and we can say this is a regular product. Okay, let's try this example. Let's copy that. Let's go back to learning that liquid. I will paste it here, and we have the product that's type. We will go to our store again and we will check the types. As you can see, many of the product here has similar type. You can add as many type as you want, I believe. So this one, for example, has the snowboard type. If I go back to product and I try to open, let's say, this selling plain key wax, this one has accessories type. All right. If I go back again to check the product, and this one, the gift card product, has the type of gift card. So what can we do now is I just want to assign this to some collection. So let's say we're gonna put all of them in this hydrogen collection. Okay, so that later on add this gift card in hydrogen collection, then go back to product, look for this selling plain ski wax, and also add it to the hydrogen collection and save it. And we will go back to product again, and we will look for the collection snowboard, and this, I believe it is already in hydrogen and even automated collection. Let's go back to our VS Code. So here we're saying this. So a product that type is equal to snowboard, then we want to display this is a snowboard product. Remember, the if statement runs only if the statement here is true. Okay, then this first block is going to run. All right, then we have another condition here. That's why we use the else if. Okay, it's checking if the product type is equal to accessories. If it is, then we will say this is an accessory product. The else tag, this is the fallback. In a case none of this condition matches or evaluate to true, then we're going to have the fallback, and we're going to say this is a regular, we can even say this is a gift product, okay, to make it like more to like gift products, something like this. The main point here is to understand the concept. So what I'm going to do, I will save it, I will open it here, I will go to my hot link, which I believe is here, and I will save it. I will comment out this one, and you know what, I will put, I'm gonna wrap everything with the H1. There you go. Okay, so now we have this is a snowboard product. Okay, so this condition is matching this product because this product has the type that is equal to snowboard. So that's why we have this is a snowboard product. So let's go back, okay, and let's go back to collection. We are in collection here, so let me choose this hydrogen, and here let me choose this selling plain ski wax. Okay, so if I click it, you're going to see we have the second condition matching. So the else if product that type is equal to accessories. Okay, and that's why we have like this second block here running, not the first one. If we go back and we choose, let's say, this gift card, we're gonna have this is a normal product. It should be gift here, but again, it doesn't really matter, just for example's sake. Okay, so none of this condition above here is true, so we have the fallback, the else, that's evaluate to this is a gift product that we have here.